It's making it bend. Aw, it's a baby.
Where our thing ain't set, our poles ain't set very good.
You gotta set the hook. That's what it's all about.
Baby, pull it up towards you a little
He's
bit.
a little one.
Honey, I don't want a picture of that. Fuck, my dick's bigger than that.
Huh.
Come on.
And I ain't saying a whole lot.
You can't see it, it's like...
Now don't wonder, that's what I'm talking about. My
pull
fuck.
it towards you a little bit more.
It's a baby.
Okay,
Now, Bobby,
Take it off.
now you gotta take it off.
You don't want to come over here. That dog get bite over here. Whose ideal?
Now you gotta take it off, manly man.
I won't take it off, I promise.
What you take it off?
You didn't catch my wormy. I want to catch a really big one like that one I seen over there in the pond.
No, you don't want to catch something like that.
I'll put it back. I don't care. I just want to catch a big fish.